Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn the difference between assets and liabilities. Whether you are private individual looking to achieve better wealth management or an entrepreneur who needs to operate a financially sustainable business model, knowing the difference between assets and liabilities is very important. Assets and liabilities might sound like intimidating terms on a balance sheet, but they are simpler to understand than many people assume. They can also have a unique interlinked relationship with each other. So, what are assets? The economic value of an item which is owned by an enterprise or an individual is referred to as assets. They possess a certain worth which can be used to meet their respective accountabilities such as commitments, legacies, and debts. What are liabilities? Liabilities are the accountabilities of an entity or individual that are rising out of previous transactions which are payable through the assets possessed by the enterprise or individual. Example of assets and liabilities: for a house painting business, assets are a company when painting equipment, three painting contracts already in place, saving in the bank, a computer, and a printer. Liabilities of the business are insurance owing, payrolling to a staff of 10 taxes, owing painting supplies bought on credit, and a business loan is taken out to buy the company when. All fixed or non-current assets have a depreciation associated with them. Depreciation is the erosion caused primarily because of the regular usage of machines, land, and building. The efficiency level of any fixed assets is assumed to get eroded, and hence the valuations gets lowered in financial terms after each year. Depreciation can only apply to assets as they generate income, and hence liability are non-depreciable. An asset is responsible for the generation of cash flow for a business. On the other hand, liability is responsible for the outflow of cash flow of business. The formula used to calculate assets is assets equal liabilities plus shareholders equity. The formula used to calculate liabilities equals assets minus shareholders equity. Now come to the relationship between assets and liabilities. Although assets and liabilities are basically the opposite of each other, they can share and interlinked relations. For instance, if you take out a mortgage of purchase a property, you will acquire the property as an asset. However, you will also take on the liability of the mortgage. This results in a direct relationship between your assets and liabilities. At first glance, it can be easy to assume that assets are good and liabilities are bad. It is true that a healthy ratio of assets versus liabilities results in better equity. This is because of equity equals assets minus liability. However, not all debts is bad, and having an assets having balance sheet isn't the goal for most companies. Like the video, it will motivate me to make more video for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.